So now we're going to go on to part 2 of the test, which is sealing some of them before they go in the epoxy and letting the others go just in without seal it. Now this is the only one that I have available without heading to the store for the 46th time. So I think based on what I've seen from the other reviewers, this looks like this is going to be fine. Some people use the gloss version, but again, I have satin, so that's what we're going to do. So let's give that a test. So despite these being so delicate, it's a nice day out. It's one of the few remaining nice days in Rochester before the winter comes. So I figured I would do all of the spraying outside. Hopefully none of these fly away. And also, I seem to have lost these sprigs from the week-long drying. So they must have been a casualty of war or something. I'm not sure where they went, but we're still gonna spritz them and see what happens. So, all right, let's give this a shot. Make sure I'm spritzing the right place. All right, gonna let them dry for a little bit and then we'll put them in epoxy and see which one lasts. Okay, now we are ready to check out the epoxy. I am using my Performance that I got on Etsy from Desert Resin. And they are filmed by volume, not by weight, so we're just gonna mix this. I have 4 different coasters here, one for each version to see which one's gonna work the best. And apologies if I sound weird, I have my mask on so I don't breathe this in. Just stir, stir, stir. I'm not particularly concerned about bubbles or anything right now. That's not really what we're testing here, so this will probably be a pretty dirty pour. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of bubbles in there. Okay, so first up, I'm gonna put my dry guys in here. And these are ones that have been sealed with clear coat. These are the microwaved ones for our experiment. These ones have been sealed but were silica dried. I'm a little worried I'm about getting this guy off. Alright. These ones are silica dried. Still have some silicone on them. And then last but not least, we have the non-microwaved ones. Okay, let's pour. See what happens.
already tell these branches are going to be a bit of a problem because they can't really get fully under. I'm just going to get rid of this guy. He's just tearing the way. So, poured these, and I'm going to let them sit. And we're going to see how this goes.
Okay, it has now been 2 weeks. Let's unmold and see how this looks. So interestingly, they all seem to really turn out not too bad. I don't know. Which one do you think you like the best? Leave a comment, let me know.